Welcome back to Realms of Reality. Today's video might completely change the way you see the world, because a silent war has already begun across the globe. A war whose sound cannot be heard, yet its effects are reaching every human life. This is the war between humans and artificial intelligence. And the most dangerous part? Most people still don't realize that machines are slowly taking their place. Imagine this. You wake up one morning, go to your office, and you are told that your services are no longer needed because an AI system can now do your work faster, cheaper, and without getting tired. This is not the story of a science fiction movie. This is reality, and it is happening right now. Welcome to the Realms of Reality. What exactly is AI? Artificial intelligence is a technology designed to think, learn, and make decisions like humans. In the beginning, AI could only perform simple tasks. But now, AI is creating images, editing videos, writing code, generating news articles, talking to people, and even assisting doctors and lawyers. The world's biggest companies are investing more money into AI than humans. Why? Because machines don't ask for salaries, don't take vacations, don't get sick, and can work 24 hours a day. That is why AI is now being called the silent replacement. Which jobs are most at risk? According to experts, millions of jobs may disappear in the coming years. The most vulnerable jobs include data entry, customer support, graphic design, content writing, video editing, basic coding, even teaching and accounting. Today, many companies are already replacing human support agents with AI chatbots. You may have noticed, on many websites, you are no longer talking to a human being, you are talking to AI. And the shocking part? Most people cannot even tell the difference, the terrifying reality. But the real question is not what AI can do. The real question is, if machines become better than humans, what will humans do? For the first time in history, technology is not only replacing physical labor, it is replacing mental work too. In the past, robots entered factories. Now office jobs are in danger. And perhaps in the future, even creative jobs may not remain safe. That is why many experts are warning that AI could become the biggest economic shock in human history. AI also has benefits. But there is another side to the story. AI is not only a threat, it can also become one of humanity's greatest tools. For example, doctors can detect diseases earlier, students can learn more efficiently, disabled people can communicate more easily, businesses can become more productive. AI can make human life easier. But the real issue is not technology itself. The issue is how humans choose to use it. Like every powerful invention, AI has the potential to either improve the world or destroy it. Why is the world afraid? Many of the world's biggest tech leaders are also worried about AI. Because if AI becomes too intelligent, humans may no longer be able to control it. Imagine this. A machine that makes its own decisions, teaches itself, evolves on its own, and eventually becomes smarter than humans. Many scientists refer to this as the point of no return. The moment when stopping AI may become impossible. It sounds like fiction, but some of the world's top experts are seriously discussing this possibility. The most important reality for young people. If you are a student, a freelancer, or someone working a job, then this part is extremely important. Instead of fearing AI, you need to learn AI, because in the future, AI itself may not replace people, but the people who fail to use AI will be replaced. The future belongs to those who understand technology, stay creative, keep learning new skills, and adapt to change. The world is changing, and perhaps faster than ever before. A silent revolution. A revolution is coming before our eyes, one that may become even bigger than the internet itself. But there is one major difference. The internet connected the world. AI will transform it. And perhaps within the next 10 years, schools will change, jobs will change, businesses will change, even the way humans think will change. The only question is, are we truly prepared for this new reality? Perhaps one day humans and machines will work together. Or perhaps machines will surpass humans entirely. But one thing is certain. The world is changing, and this transformation has only just begun. What do you think? Is AI a threat to humanity, or humanity's greatest hope for the future? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoy dark reality and mind-opening videos like this, subscribe to Realms of Reality, because here, we don't just report the news. We uncover the hidden side of reality. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the Realms of Reality.